All right, Miss Julie, come check it out. I'm not done yet. Just want you to look at this, and then look at this over here.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Dang, that's good.
That's what you was looking for, right?
Exactly. I told Randy I'm more excited about this than having the house painted.
What?
I've been wanting these. I've called several places and asked them if they would redo the cabinets. They said no. We'll put you some new ones in. I said no. I like what I have.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah.
What? Look right here. Look at the reflection from the window.
I see it already.
You see that?
And even this is more shiny.
Yep. Wow. So I just got to do the rest of that. Wow. That is. You didn't tell. Wow. That made me feel really good.
Yeah.
They told you.
I called. They were refinishing something. And I said, "Oh, can you do this?" And they said, "No, we can't do that. But we'll put you in some." I said, "No, I like what I have. I just need them cleaned up and polished."
Polished. Wow. Wow. Well,
Yeah.
I don't know why some people don't.
Nice.
Thank you.
It's gonna look brand new.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, do I have to be careful with this? How long will?
Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. It was pouring down earlier. So anyway, May the 30th, I am out here in Monroe. This is one of my repeat clients, Mr. and Mrs. Watson. They set up a consultation. They had me come out here and look at their countertops. This is a Corian countertops. So it's kind of like a screen and recoat. Corian is a different material. It's a man-made material. So they have some little micro scratches in it. So all I'm going to do is rough it up to get those scratches out and then polish it out and then seal it. Also went and did a consultation. And check this out. I went and did a consultation for a country club. And they was recommended to me by one of the homeowners in the community. And she said, as her and the homeowner was talking, said, "Yeah, you see Truman's doing countertops now." And she said, "Yeah, Courtney, we see you everywhere." So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we got going. What I got going. So I just got through prepping. Just going here. So all right, so I got my masking tape off, plastic, and I got my little tarp. So anyway, I'm gonna be doing this island right here, guys. And if you look really, really close, you see like these little micro scratches. You're gonna knock those down in this material all around here. And let me show you, I did a little demo when I came here to do the consultation. So if you look, like I'm gonna stand back. If you look like really close, right here, you can kind of see like the sheen is kind of going. So I knocked it down and it took all those scratches out, and then I'm gonna polish it back out. So I want to do this area right here and then this island right here. Okay, so this right here actually falls under my minimum of $750. Now other materials like marble can be a whole lot more, because marble is constantly building, taking your grits down and then building it back up. So what I can do with this, with one pass, marble, I could, 3-4 passes. Granite is kind of like this, but using just different pads. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Actually just booked another countertop repeat client next Thursday afternoon. And you guys heard Miss Bessie. She said she called another company. She said, I love my countertops, Courtney. That's why she asked me numerous times if I could do them. I said, yeah. And, you know, just to ensure, I said, let me come out here and do a little demo. And she said, Courtney, the other company told me to replace them. And look at this right here, guys. She loves the results. And so do I. Wow. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that lightning effect. All right, guys. There's a little light here somewhere, yeah. All right, guys. Tomorrow, I have a consultation for wood floors and a small wood floor screen and recoat. See you in the next one.